So in this video, we will learn how to convert a octal number to a binary number. So here we have an example of 47, and the 8 here is just to represent that this is an octal number. So first step is to separate them. So we have 4 and we have 7. And now we need to break them down in this format. 1, 2, 4, and the same thing for 7. So 1, 2, 4. And now what numbers here add up to 4? So here we are only going to use the 4 here, and the two other 2 and 1 are going to be 0. And for 7 we are going to use everything. So it's going to be 4 plus 2 plus 1. And now all that's left is to merge them together, and the answer is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Let's do another example. Here we have 3, 7, 7. So first step again to break them down. So 3, 7, and 7. And we need to write the other thing now. So 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, and 4, 2, 1. And now what numbers add up to 3 here is going to be 2 and 1, and we are not going to use the 4 here, so it will be 0, 1, 1. And for 7 it's going to be all of them ones, since we're using 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, 7. And the last one is the same. And now all that's left is to merge them together, so it's going to be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And now also another thing is that we can remove any excess zeros to the left. So if you have any zeros to the left like this, we can just get rid of them. So I mean, you can keep them there, it doesn't really make a difference, and you can erase them also. But we can never erase any zeros to the right, by the way. So if you have a 0 like this, you cannot get rid of this. This has to be there. And if there's zeros, of course, between ones, we cannot get rid. The only zeros that is we can get rid of are the zeros to the most left. So like this one. So we can remove that. So take a moment and pause the video to do this example yourself. So here we have 2, 7, 3, 3, 7. So first step again to separate them. 2, 7, 3, 3, 7. And now we need to write the binary, or that format of octal, sorry. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 4. So it's going to be 0, 1, 0. Here it's going to be all ones. Let me just quickly write above every number. So it's going to be 1 and 1 and 1. Here is going to be 2 plus 1, and the 4 is going to be 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and all of them ones. So now we just merge them together. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And as mentioned before, we can get rid of this 0, and this is the final answer. So here is the last example. If you can manage to do this example, then you are a master at the converting process. So take a moment and pause the video. So let's start here. There is a 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. I'm gonna make more space between them. 3, 5, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 0. And that's it. And remember, we can never get rid of any zeros to the right, only to the left, like this. So now let's start by the converting process. So it's going to be 8, 4, 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Let's actually add 8 here, or maybe, 7 between some numbers, just as, or maybe just leave it, never mind. 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, and so on. So here's gonna be 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 again, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and for 3 is gonna be 0, 1, 1. For 5 is gonna be 1, 0, 1. For 3 again, 0, 1, 1. For 4 is just gonna be 1, 0, 0. For 1 it's gonna be, you can always write this, by the way, if it helps you. It's gonna be 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. For 4 again, 1, 0, 0. And for 2, 0, 1, 1. And for 0 it's gonna be all zeros. we do need to include this, by the way. So this is the final answer. You can just merge it together and write it as this. And yeah, that's it. So as always, I always show you guys a shortcut method on the calculator to recheck your answer. So open your calculator and you can go to your menu button and go to base minus n. And then from there, you have to click on the Octal button. And you might, your calculator might not have this, so I would recommend you to invest in a better calculator, since a calculator can help you in many ways to recheck your answer and a lot of other stuff. So after clicking on Octal, let's just take a small example, since I don't think the calculator is can manage this of a big of a number. So let's just take, or maybe you can take the last example. Yeah, so we have 27337. So first click on Oct button on the calculator. It will say OCT, and then now you can just type your number. So we have 27337 and click on equals to, and then we can click on the bin button, bin, and once you do that, you will get automatically the binary number on your calculator, and you can recheck your answer that way. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help. And also, I will be making a short video on how to do it on the calculator, since it's more easier to show rather than talk about it, of course.